Welcome to BC Parks. You belong here. BC Parks are inclusive, diverse, and respectful place where everyone is welcome. Ayan. Rattribor Beach. Ayan, tara mamasyal tayo dito sa BC Park, British Columbia Park. Oh, ito oh. Para siyang ano?
Hindi, ito
Bulaklak.
wild rose yan.
Oh, wild
Wild
rose.
rose. Hindi yung blackberry.
Ayan. Hindi para... Ayan.
Kasi hindi mo asikasuhin eh.
Oo. Hindi siya alagain.
Pero yung nga lang, babantayan mo rin kasi
May mga nag...
may walkway talaga eh.
may... life on the shoreline, traditional territory of the Snow No as First Nation Rattribor Beach. Ayan. So this is a UNESCO heritage. Can you imagine this beach, Rattribor Beach, attracts an average of more than 500,000 visitors annually. Ayan, marami pa lang namamasyal dito. Amazing place. Ayan. May magka-kite, kite flying. Meron siyang saranggolang palilipa rin. We'll see, abangan natin at palilipa rin niya ang wow, nice kite flying. Oh, ayan, color green, nice. Okay. Ay, nawala siya. Kala ko, ano pa. We'll see. Ayan. Oh, ayan. Yan ang aking mga sisters. Dito sa Rattribor Beach. Shoreline. Ayun. BC, British Columbia. Rattribor Beach, British Columbia. Vancouver, British Columbia. Vancouver Island. Maraming salamat. Like, share, and subscribe. Wandering Bicolana. Kaway-kaway dyan! Nalaki ng mga puno na to, siguro mga 100 years na yan. Dito na talaga siya sa shoreline.
And then I realized, wow, they all look exactly the same.
Which one? Oh, the shell. Oh, nice. You pick shell. Okay. Yeah. And
Both of them look exactly the same.